They ripped my face off. Now what? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update, and great to be back in front of a real camera and on land instead of on the sea. But what a day, what a rally. And of course, I texted out this morning that I thought that there was a good chance that we could end up actually higher on the day, but I never expected this rally to be as powerful as it is. And this is just another example of a rip your face off rally. They come, and this is, again, more indication that the market tops are being put in. When you see action like this all this is a bunch of short covering, a bunch of people who overindulged to the downside last week, and now they're trapped and they're just forcing their way out. A very regular thing when you see markets topping. Volatility has been wild up and down, and of course when you see these rallies that just continue to go almost straight up, that is a perfect example and a perfect time to look for a spot to sell. So although they ripped my face off today, I'll be looking for another opportunity to sell either later today, in the nighttime session, or tomorrow. But again, I would look for this rally to fail. We had last week a key reversal on a weekly basis and consecutive lower highs and lower lows. This is just another Monday rally as we had last Monday. And what was the result of the rest of the week? You can listen to the tariff talk and all the other stuff. It means nothing. What happened here is that the sellers got over exuberant and everybody got short, and now they're being forced to pay the piper and get back out here. So we'll see how this trades out. In the meantime, bonds are lower, which means interest rates are going higher, and the dollar is higher. That's our key combo, right? If the interest rates start to rise, there's going to be ugliness. This is going to be the black swan event, and that's what I'm looking for, and that's the way that I'm looking at this whole market right now. Is for it to fail. Now, if we break above and get back to the highs, then I'll be wrong. But for now, this rally is just nothing more than another rip-your-face-off rally. You've got gold was a little bit lower. You've got the grains were higher again. Again, I think they're getting a little bit overdone to the upside. I think you want to look, now again, only if you're a trader. You want to look to sell some grains here just for a trade, not for a long-term position. We're still very bullish long-term, but expect to see some sort of a sell-off. This is not for the timid. If you want to look to try to capitalize on a quick down move, that would be the way. Otherwise, you sit back and wait, hold your longs, and look for opportunities to add on. In the meantime, meats, as we said, and we've been saying all along, we were looking for 122 or so in cattle. Boom, we got a bounce right up of 122, up over $1 today. Feeders, we're looking for 144. We went below, and now we're back above it. So again, those are looking good, and of course, hogs are looking good. So the entire market is starting to reverse out. And again, it's not something that announces itself. It's not something that says to you that this is going to happen. But when you look at the overall picture, this is nothing more than a dead cat bounce from my perspective. You've got everybody flying and everybody saying how great it is. And we've got all these wonderful things happening, but nobody talks about the debt. And that is something that is going to be the bigger problem. When the interest rates rise and everything happens, you're going to see that part of a reversal. But for now, we would look at 25,000 to 25.5 as a spot to sell on the Dow. That's the way we see it here, and we're going to continue to stay short this market, as well as we're going to stay short the oil markets, which also had a big move today. Because again, this is all based on a fallacy, on a house of cards, and so we're going to look to be a seller of oil as well. That's the way I see it. This is Bubba's Daily Update, and don't forget, highschoolinvesting.com. Help us out. Go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And if you do that, I will give you one free week of my futures advisory service. And don't forget to get the Bubba Show every day from 4 to 5 Eastern Time at libertytalk.fm. This is Bubba's Daily Update, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Great to be back. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.